Program pre-recruitment training naga Bynta ki Agniveer bat ki Shipai ringko. Kelas Sdang Hasinat College Shillong mentagasngi. Kani program ke Sdang lingba ka Chief Minister's Special Grant. Kadai ka kam ke penyat lang daga Office jongka Deputy Commissioner ha East KHASI Hills haringkat lang bat ka Office jongka Zilla Welfare Sainik. Kajing temu ka bakong san kalong ban ay kajing hikai ka bom dan ka mansiu pisa badega training syaki samla ki badang terang ya kani ka kam daga bayarap haki hakarukom thep kam haki kam Shipai ikong RM kurba ibalong ru Deputy Commissioner jongka East KHASI Hills la penyat ya ka program Sdang kani ka program ka temu ban pen kopbor ki samla ki batrang ya ka kam daga jing pen tebet bat jing hikai ki badan kam haka jing thep kam daga babu ya ka thong ka bayar ban kershan ya ki haka jing ay jing syakri haki kam Shipai.
Prepare and physically fit. You have to be ready for that. And you just by having a degree is not good enough. You have to have, if you're looking for career on this line, you have to be physically fit, you have to be disciplined, you have to have it in you that I will work very hard and never give up. And henceforth, you prepare yourself physically, as I said, and mentally to sit for the exam, and we hope that you will come out successful, and we hope to see our people from the northeastern region to be there, and we'll be very proud of you to serve the country.